Nice to meet you guys. Happy to be here. Hey guys, it's Megan and Erica
and Andrea.
They've never been on my channel before, so why don't you guys introduce yourselves? I'm Erica, again. I go to East Carolina University. Go Pirates.
I'm Andrea. I love to bake. I love Megan. So now we get to do my two favorite things together.
Yeah, we're gonna be making these kind of like ice cream chocolate things, and we're gonna put balloons to like...
We're gonna make little chocolate bowls.
Yeah, chocolate bowls out of the balloons. You put the ice cream and stuff, whatever, in, and it's gonna be really yummy.
Okay, so this is what you're gonna need: a cookie sheet, parchment paper,
Chocolate chips.
chocolate chips,
Balloons.
water balloons.
Water balloons, yeah.
And already blown up. And then you're gonna need a glass bowl to melt the chips in. So basically, after you melt the chips, we're gonna dip the bottom half, put it out onto the parchment paper so it doesn't stick.
Okay, really easy.
That's
it?
Yeah, and then we're gonna put it in the freezer for a few minutes till it hardens. Then we're gonna take it out, we're gonna dip again, probably need to heat it up, the chocolate. We're gonna dip a second time, put it back in the freezer, and then it should be done. And then the fun part is popping the balloon to get it out of there, because nobody wants balloon in their chocolate bowl.
Yeah.
That's it. Chocolatey. They're not as big. I like the small ones. Okay, so I'm gonna just put them all in. Probably not gonna need that many, but we're gonna melt them first.
All right.
And then do you want to start blowing?
Yeah.
You want to help me blow?
We're filming a video for my YouTube channel. Oh, that one's too big. Like this size.
So that's good.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna heat the chocolate in 30-second intervals.
Increments?
I don't want to say intervals. Whatever.
Or increments.
In the microwave.
Got that right. So do you want the honors of you stir like this and keep getting under?
Okay.
And then we just do that like 3 or 4 times.
One time I was doing this and then we burnt the chocolate and it actually tasted really bad. We were making cake pops at school.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Yeah, because I didn't know we were supposed to like take them out and then stir it.
Yeah.
We just cooked the whole thing.
Those are so festive looking.
With each color too, we did that perfectly. I didn't even realize.
Oh my god.
Oh, that is weird.
Cool.
Let's attempt it. Let's
Alright, first one.
let it drip for a second.
Beautiful.
Now bring them to the freezer.
Okay, so now we're going to be making Snickerdoodle cookies.
My mom's favorite recipe and the best recipe.
Yes.
Aww.
So the ingredients are butter, baking soda, sugar, salt, eggs, flour, cream of tartar, sugar, and cinnamon.
So we got sugar and butter. Throwing in stick of butter.
Looks like mashed potatoes.
It does look good.
I don't want to get any shells in there.
And now, Echo, time is 7 minutes.
They're easy.
Whoa.
Yeah.
chocolates. So basically, we're gonna smush them so that it like unsticks from the chocolate, and then we're gonna pop it.
Okay, well here's one that came out.
I keep scaring myself. Do that in slow motion.
Yeah, I will.
See, this one came out perfectly.
That's beautiful.
This one's mine. Following it. Ah! I keep scaring myself.
Question.
Yeah,
Did
right.
you wash the balloons?
No.
Yeah, that's actually a good
Really? Why would you wash the balloon? Keep right out of the packet. I'm not eating the balloon. Look at her hands.
Yeah, look at my hands.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Megan, it's done.
Okay. Oh, it's like I'm using chocolate, so.
Ew. Yeah.
So these are all the desserts that we made today. Snickerdoodle cookies and chocolate bowls with strawberries and whipped cream. So we had a lot of fun making it.
Yes, we did.
Yes. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more. One final look at that. Beautiful.
Like and subscribe. She's cool.
Thanks. Bye.
Wait, the video's not over yet. There's bloopers. Alright.
Hi guys, it's Erica. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel.
Can you spare a square?
I can spare a square.
Oh,
we got little kids.
It's soaping outside. I'm not going back out there.
What is it? There's only one thing that's better than Snickerdoodles, and that's me.
No!
I hope you cut that part out.
Oh my gosh, these were so good. Who wants one right now?
I want one right now.
Why is there a balloon dipped in
I
chocolate?
don't want this.
Why not?
Okay.
Don't you dip your balloons in chocolate?
No.
How do you eat your
Your cut is cut off, Megan.